So we are heading to my house right now and we're gonna go get some customer orders done. We're gonna get some FBA shipments done. I think we're gonna do FBA shipments first and then customer orders if we can last. And then I'm gonna go to a coffee shop and then work on my back end of Coastal Cowboy. And some news on that, I'm working with a supplier to get direct to film to print over this. It's gonna be even better quality. Even though I already really love this, it's gonna be a lot more detailed because I'm not able to detail that much when I'm de-weeding. So I'm gonna have a supplier make some for me. I might have it USA based. I'm gonna try to at least, so I can have, I want this company to try to solely be USA based. So I'm working on looking for a supplier with that. And then we'll be done with the video and then we'll go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money we made. This sounds super confusing to you and you don't know what I do. My name is Nick, I'm an entrepreneur, and basically these videos on YouTube, I go over a day in a life vlog series of the ins and outs of my business. So whether you're starting a business or you're thinking about starting a business, these are the videos so you should watch. I have had a lot of ups and I've had a lot of downs in the last 111 videos that I've made. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm by the end of the video. And also if you do enjoy these videos, subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So let's get to the video. All right guys, so I just got back to the house and I wanted to show you what came in the mail. I'm not sure what this is. I think I know what this is. And I'm not really sure what this is, but it did come from China. I think this might be envelopes and these might be something I'm gonna talk to you about in just a moment because I have not been talking to you about something. So let me open this up. So as expected, I think, yes, these are envelopes. So pack of 500, thank you. I'm not really religious. I would say I grew up in a Christian household, was Catholic, converted to Christian. I'm more spiritual now. I do believe there's a higher power, but thank you God or higher power for making me go through packs of 500 envelopes 2-3 times a month. Seriously, not super religious or anything, but still gotta be thinking somewhat up about, like, I'm not the only one I feel like controlling my body and my mind and whatever. So anyways, we don't have to get into all that, but so this, if this is it, I'm gonna open it up here. It's gonna help me out a lot, and I'll explain why, because I've been very silent about this. And also while I'm opening this, thank you all so much for the last couple of weeks. I feel like not only has business been thriving again, but also my subscriber rate and people coming in and enjoying my videos and watching my journey. Thank you all so much for being here and being so nice and friendly to other people as well. So I really appreciate you guys. And women, of course, whoever's watching. I need to go look at I feel like there's a lot of females that watch my videos too, so thank you to all the females out there that are getting content and enjoying my videos. I'm trying to figure out how to open this thing. Shoot. Nick doesn't know how to open up a box, apparently. Just being too fragile. All right, let's see. All right, I'm gonna bring you over here. All right, so I got custom clips made for the mug boat to fit onto coffee mugs better. So this is my version 2 of the mug boat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bend out this clip and put it onto the mug boat, screw it back on, so then every single mug boat is gonna be able to stay. So my reviews are pretty bad because of the fact that they don't stay on the mug wall. So version 2 is gonna have a clip that's gonna clip onto it. So very excited about that. So I got 500 of these, and if they work well, then I'll get obviously another 500. So that's what I got here. And then let me show you my hats because I haven't opened up the package yet. Very excited about that. A lot of big things going on. For 2 separate packages. All right, so here are the new colors. So you already know, I'm gonna open up this one as well. I'm gonna be very, very delicate. So we already have the gold. That's what I'm wearing right now. And if you've watched my last couple videos, you've noticed I made a green, a dark green as well. So we'll put this to the side. But now I have navy blue and my favorite, I'm very excited about, dark brown. That I think is gonna be such a cool combination between the gold and the brown. I'm so excited. So if anyone wants one, please message me down below. I'm going to be putting these on my website shortly, maybe in the next coming weeks. I do have the gold and the green. And then if you actually really want these colors, I can make these as soon as possible, but let me know, comment down below, subscribe to my email list, whatever you want to do, get involved with me, and I can get these out to you as soon as possible. So I'm very excited about these 2 new colors. But anyways, let's get back to the video. Let's get some orders out, or FBA shipment out. and then we'll get it started, and hope you enjoy. So it looks like I accidentally time-lapsed the last clip I made for the video to end this, but we have finished up work, dropped off the UPS FBA shipment package, and now we are done. I may or may not go to a coffee shop now. I'm pretty exhausted, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just finishing up editing this video, and I wanna finish it for you guys. So let's go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money we made. All right, so starting off with Shopify, we made $46.80. We sold a shirt. We also made $63.16 on eBay. We made $253.99 on Amazon with a total of $364 revenue made yesterday. So now we are at a total of $10,379 this month in revenue. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoy videos like this, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm for more people to watch videos like this or find my videos, and just keep growing this channel with more amazing people that are already here. And then also, if you're not subscribed already, I make a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So I hope to see you all here tomorrow. So have a great rest of your Saturday, everyone. I will see you all later. Peace out.